The Midea WHD-113FB1 is a great mini fridge for those who want an adjustable temperature range. The refrigerator compartment can be set to 32 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, while the freezer compartment can be set to -11.2 to 5 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows you to store both food and drinks at the perfect temperature for your needs. The compact size of this mini fridge makes it perfect for small spaces, such as dorm rooms or apartments. And the sleek black exterior will match any decor. This fridge has adjustable legs so you can choose the perfect height, and a reversible door that can open from either the left or right side. Plus, it comes with a built-in freezer compartment, perfect for storing ice cream or frozen meals. The Midea WHD-113FB1 mini fridge also
This is the Midea fridge, mini fridge. Managed to fit a lot of stuff, really. The big strawberry, Go-Gurt, for example, the big jug. On the top side, it fits plenty of room. 2 large, yeah, perfect.
This is an issue because it's on the door hinge. You know, there is a crack on the door hinge.